Hey, what's up guys? Today we're checking out a seriously cool piece of gear that's making waves in the DIY apparel space. This is the Senortian L1800 DTF Printer, a compact, beginner-friendly, direct-to-film printing machine that's engineered to bring vibrant, high-quality garment printing right to your desktop. Whether you're customizing t-shirts, hats, hoodies, or other textiles, this machine is built to handle it. And it's got a few features that definitely stand out. Under the hood, it's rocking the reliable L1800 printhead, printing at up to 1440 by 1440 DPI resolution, and pushing through a full-color print in around 7 minutes. That's not bad for a desktop printer in this class. It's got 6 color channels, CMYK+WW white inks, so you're getting those bright, crisp prints that pop on dark fabrics too. And with a 13-inch max width and unlimited length, this thing's ready to go beyond just tiny designs. Now, what really makes this printer different, especially for beginners, is its advanced ink system. We're talking automatic white ink stirring, 2-in-1 cleaning, and even waste ink collection, all of which help you keep the printhead clog-free and extend its life without constant maintenance. This is super important in DTF workflows where white ink is notorious for gumming things up if left idle. The design also makes things easy. It supports both roll and sheet feeding, so you got options depending on your project size. The print bed and rollers are engineered to minimize jams and curling, which is a game changer if you're printing back-to-back for orders or running longer designs. That workflow flexibility really matters when you're scaling up. Out of the box, you're getting a complete bundle: printer, ProRip software, CMYK+WW inks, 100 meters of transfer film, DTF powder, and even nozzle protection fluid. It's pretty much plug-and-play. Well, plug-in Windows Play, since the software only supports Windows, but at least it's secure, stable, and not going to mess with your system. Bottom line, the Senortian L1800 DTF Printer is a solid starter for anyone jumping into garment printing. It's fast, clean, beginner-friendly, and has some thoughtful engineering that makes it feel a cut above the rest in this category. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking to level up your custom apparel game without breaking the bank or spending hours in setup hell. So, if you'd like to buy the Senortian L1800 DTF Printer at the best price, make sure to click the link in the description below. You'll get the full bundle and everything you need to start printing right away.